Top experts have said that 31 MQ-9B deal is not only aimed at sea domain, but it will also have repercussions along the line of actual control with China as well as the line of control with Pakistan. The DRDO is all set to start the fabrication of a rocket motor casing with nozzle assembly for Nag MK2 anti-tank guided missile. Hyderabad-based startup Xmachines has started exporting their unmanned ground vehicles to Spain. Maldives President delivered his first presidential address to an empty parliament, as the main opposition parties of Maldives decided to boycott the address. The joint contingents from the Royal Saudi Land Force and Indian Army are graduating to the next stage of battle hardening during exercise SADA TANSEEQ. Indian Defence Forces DRDO and 1,200 defence firms will take part in the inaugural edition of the Maharastra Defence Expo from 17th February in Pune. India has offered its Prachand light combat helicopter and Dhanush gun to Kenya. The Chinese research vessel has started its mission just outside the exclusive economic zones of India, Sri Lanka and the Maldives. Russia's Rostov Corporation has announced that substantial cost reductions were made in the Su-75 project due to certain technical changes, and these changes in aircraft layout control and armament systems have been influenced by feedback from a potential buyer, prompting the decrease in expenditure. Without any official confirmation, some media reports suggest that India could be that potential buyer. Philippines is all set to issue a request for information to South Korea, Japan and India, as Philippines Navy has set their sights on acquiring the country's first ever submarine. India's Mazagon Dock Limited is likely to receive a request for information for Kalvari class submarines, and Philippines aims to induct 3 submarines in the initial phase, suggesting a phased approach to build a credible underwater force. Tata Advanced Systems has entered Indian Army's competition for 814 mounted gun systems by offering its 155mm 52 caliber mounted gun system, which draws inspiration from Denel's 155mm TS-52 self-propelled howitzer, mounted on a Tata 8x8 high-mobility vehicle. It has a range of 42 kilometers and 55 kilometers with a very long artillery projectile, and can fire 6 rounds per minute. After French firm Safran offered 100% technology transfer of a jet engine to India, analysts have said that France had promised to provide major help and knowledge transfer for the Kalvari engine, but it has consistently fallen short of achieving complete transfer, and France's decision to hand up its entire engine intellectual property to India appears exceedingly doubtful. Unless there is reliable confirmation from the French government and clarity on the exact technology being transferred, the claims of 100% jet engine technology transfer should be viewed cautiously. German firm ThyssenKrupp Marine Systems has presented a comprehensive roadmap for a direct government-to-government sale of their advanced Type 212 CD submarines to India, saying that the government-to-government route will bypass the lengthy 3-year-long Project 75I tender process, and allows for direct negotiations between the two governments. This could expedite the acquisition of the submarines, providing India with much-needed modern underwater capabilities sooner. Today's top 3 comments.